Bihar Institute of Economic Studies is a registered non-profit organization working for the socio-economic empowerment of disadvantaged people. BIES undertakes social research and evaluation, consultancy on development issues, and the design and implementation of action programs. Rural Bihar suffers from a chronic lack of basic healthcare services. Awareness about diseases is low and the services provided by hospitals and diagnostic centers are dismal. Illiteracy, poverty, and lack of communication infrastructure compound the problem. eSwasthya or eHealth is a project that endeavors to provide healthcare services to the poor by creating community health and information centers, linking these centers with the help of information technology and involving the target groups in their planning, implementation and monitoring. The eSwasthya project began in the year 2001 with the establishment of 21 health centers in Jhanjhar and Andrathadi blocks of Madhubani district. The model centers are provided with equipment for ultrasound, X-ray, ECG, pathological tests, medical store, public telephone and generators. The most important step of the project has been the provision of e-health cards to the residents of these 21 villages. These cards each have a unique number under which the basic medical details of the patient are registered on a central network and are supposed to be available to the health service provider at any of these 21 community health centers. The eSwasthya program is not a replacement for doctors, but it is a way of extending the reach of doctors to remote areas. In the current environment of IT expansion in the country, a project like eSwasthya is bound to succeed if based on a realistic operational and sustainability plan. Despite the absence of basics like electricity and shortage of trained medical personnel, 10 community health centers and 11 community health and information centers have been established and 12 self-help groups have been formed to access the services. Medicines are given either free of cost or at a subsidy. Bihar Institute of Economic Studies